Commodity outlook for October the 20th, week starting October the 20th. Gold's had a good little bounce in a bear trend. It was helped last week by the chaos and panic in some of the stock markets and bond markets. Well, we managed to get up to 1250, so around this 38.2% retracement level. We didn't manage to hold on to that. That was the top, as was expected. I don't think that was a particularly strong performance for gold, really, when you bear in mind how fast down the stock markets plunged and how far up the bond markets rallied. So if that's as good as gold can do in those sort of conditions, I don't think it's much of a safe haven, and I think that gold is going to start to head lower now. I'm surprised it hasn't actually come down significantly already on Friday after that bounce. So the key area, of course, is going to be this 1245, 1250 area. As long as we hold below there, we should go lower. An unexpected break higher, I don't really think it's going to break through, but if it does break higher, well, we've got targets on the reports throughout the week for that, but I've got a feeling this bear trend is just going to resume. Oil, WTI crude, well, I'm happy with last week. We were looking for it to bottom out. We'd stuck with this bear trend for such a long time, but I just decided it had gone too far, and I thought that perhaps this would bottom out. I quite like this candle on Wednesday, it looked quite positive. Thursday gave us a chance to jump into longs if you'd missed it. If we'd missed doing that on the Wednesday, that was a really nice positive candle that you can see there on the Thursday. Friday we're just consolidating. Fair enough. It looks like we're changing the trend, at least in the very short term. So we're going to consolidate, but I do think that the chances are we'll push higher this week. We've got some targets on the reports, of course. What will kill it is a break below this little double bottom here, there where we spiked on Thursday and Wednesday. Break below there, well, that kills the chance of a recovery, and we go into free fall again, perhaps to test 2012 lows. Brent crude also looks pretty good. That candle on Thursday, nice and positive. We hadn't really got any good support, but just felt it had gone too far and it was ready for a bounce, and perfectly really on Thursday that's exactly what happened. It didn't, as I say, didn't hit any particular support level, just felt it was overdone and it was going to start to recover. So we're seeing that. Friday consolidation, well, that's exactly what we expected. We expected it to just consolidate, range trade, so that's what happened, but I think we will push higher this week. Nat gas, well, I say it week after week, there's really nothing to go on here. There's no real pattern. You can see that August, September, October, we're just jumping around within a range. All you could do is range trade it. There's no trend to follow.